Cat food.
Can we turn on the light at least? It's so dark.
That stuff's been sitting there for a while. It's got soggy. Okay.
Dude.
Eat it.
You should keep eating it until the milk's gone.
No.
Yeah.
Crunchy.
How's it taste?
Kind of tastes like.
Cat food?
No. Tastes like.
Have you ever
like a hot dog or something.
A crunchy hot dog? Yum.
No wonder the cats like it. No.
Yes.
I thought you said it was good.
What?
I feel like he sounds like a dog eating it.
I'm so gonna need a toothpick after this.
Don't worry, got you covered.
Alright. Wonder how it's gonna come out. No, I need some milk. Okay, I have something in between my teeth.
You're making me want to puke.
You are?
How do you eat that?
I don't know, it just tastes good.
And he's sober.
Have you eaten a dog treat before? I mean, like a little dog brisket?
I used to eat those actually.
My brother eats the ones from Petco. The ones that look like Oreos.
I used to get the variety pack.
Can I go to bed? Can I go to bed?
We used to get the variety pack and I like the peanut bars. The peanut butter ones were the best.
I thought you said it was good, Joey.
Well, if he's drinking the milk.
Tastes like grape nuts.
Oh, good.
Alright, there's
Good
like
nuts, how
3
it tastes
pieces
like
left, 4 pieces.
Seriously? I like grape nuts, but I ain't eating
Only
dog
4
food.
pieces.
I used to eat dog food and cat food when I was little.
Okay, are we done? You're not gonna puke?
I'm done.
All of it's gone?
All of it.